Aavas Financiers Limited. We'll take a look at this stock. I can see the stock is coming out of a pretty big correction. This is the entire rally that the stock had given, which was corrected 61.8%. Not very perfectly. The stock has also given us a positive divergence and a clear-cut range shift, in the sense that the RSI has shifted range, indicating that the momentum has definitely changed and the stock is heading higher. Down to the 75-minute time frame. This was the first momentum peak, the real high. The volume is also giving pretty good signal. The first extension that we saw was around the level of 1.78. So the stock, given the volume and the momentum analysis, the price structure analysis, I think it's looking quite attractive. So from a target perspective, at least I would expect a conservative target of 2084. So 1803 is where your stop loss should be, giving us a risk to reward ratio of more than 3, making it a pretty good stock idea to participate in.